Hi, this is Sean Stahl from IES Technical Sales, located in Danvers, Massachusetts. Today I will show you some of the features and capabilities of the IoN-40 gas plasma system from PVA TePla America, built in Corona, California. Common applications for the IoN-40 are ashing, cleaning, activation, passivation, and chemical functionalization. As you may know, gas plasma removes organic contamination faster, more economically, and is more green friendly than a traditional wet chemistry, and can chemically functionalize surfaces at the nanoscale. Let's take a look at the key features of our demo system. A user-friendly touchscreen with front panel display, up to 4 MFCs, this one's configured for 2, to give you 4 different gas species, an aluminum chamber, configurable with 3 to 5 temp-controlled electrodes, USB ports for both data collection as well as communication, benchtop unit supplied at 120 volt AC input, and recipe-driven controls and functionality allows for process repeatability. Thanks for watching. Please post any questions or comments below. Subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more content like this, and we look forward to seeing you next time.